What if I told you one of the wildest Audi R8 builds in the world doesn't come in blazing red, neon orange, or chrome wrap madness, but in the boldest, loudest shade of lemon green? Yeah, you heard me right. This is the G&B Design Audi R8 V10 Plus, and it's so outrageous, so insane, so jaw-droppingly gorgeous, it practically slaps you in the face and dares you to look away. Let's start with the basics. This isn't just any R8. We're talking about the legendary 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, a screaming monster of an engine that already makes purists weak in the knees. But G&B Design didn't settle for stock. Oh no. With a Stage 1 Simon Motorsport upgrade, this beast now cranks out a ridiculous 636 horsepower. No turbos, no hybrids, no gimmicks, just raw, spine-tingling, naturally aspirated fury blasting through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. And if the performance doesn't already knock you flat, the looks will. The body, murdered out in black with carbon details everywhere. But then, bam! Hit with lemon green accents so sharp they look like they've been poured straight from a highlighter pen. The brake calipers glow in that same electric green, matched by details across the windshield lettering, the R8 fuel cap logo, and more. It's bold, it's loud, and it works way better than it has any right to. But hold on, we're just getting started. Take a look at those wheels. Forget factory stock. Forget anything you've seen before. G&B Design whipped up custom-forged 9x20 and 12x21-inch asymmetrical wheels that look like they're spinning even when the car is standing still. They're polished, they're massive, they're ridiculous, and they're wrapped in ultra-sticky Continental Sport Contact 7 tires. Add KW coilover springs for that slammed stance, and this R8 sits on the pavement like it owns every road it touches. Now step inside, and you realize G&B Design didn't stop with the outside. Oh no. This thing is dripping in lemon green from the seat backs to the stitching. Work 45 reupholstered the interior in fine black leather with bright green decorative stitching, tying every detail together. The steering wheel? Flat-bottomed, finished in matte carbon, and fitted with LED gear shift indicators, making you feel like you're piloting a race car every time you flick through gears. Even the door sills glow with carbon fiber and R8 V10 Plus lettering in, you guessed it, lemon green. And let's not forget the engine bay. Pop that rear glass and what do you see? A lemon green strut brace, valve covers, and an air filter box, all highlighted against a sea of real carbon fiber. It's like opening the gates to some forbidden mechanical temple. Even standing still, this R8 looks like it's alive, pulsing with energy, daring you to fire it up. The result? A car that isn't just tuned, it's transformed. It's not an R8 anymore. It's a rolling piece of art, a supercar that screams individuality, confidence, and pure excess. A machine that tells the world you don't just drive an Audi R8, you dominate with one. This G&B Design Audi R8 V10 Plus isn't subtle. It's not classy. It's not whispering in the background. It's shouting from the rooftops, "Look at me, I'm here and I will burn into your memory forever." So here's the question. Is this the boldest R8 build ever made, or is it just too much? Would you rock the lemon green beast, or do you think Audi's masterpiece is best left untouched?